Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove, uninstall, and rearrange apps on your Google Pixel 8 Pro. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, take a look at your home screen where all your applications are displayed. This is where you'll be managing everything, so make sure you're on the home screen and not inside an app drawer or settings menu. Now, if you want to rearrange your apps and move them to a different position on your home screen, the process is incredibly simple. Just press and hold on the app icon you want to move. After a moment, the app will lift slightly, indicating that it's ready to be moved. While still holding it, drag the app to wherever you want it to be on your screen. This could be a different spot on the same page or even to another home screen page if you drag it to the edge. Once you've positioned the app exactly where you want it, simply release your finger, the app will drop into place, and your new layout is saved automatically. This is perfect for organizing your most used apps exactly how you like them. Next, let's talk about removing an app from your home screen. This doesn't delete the app from your phone entirely, it just removes the shortcut from your home screen while keeping the app installed. To do this, press and hold on the app you want to remove. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, tap on Remove. The app icon will disappear from your home screen, but don't worry, the app itself is still installed on your device. You can always find it later in your app drawer if you need to use it again or want to add it back to your home screen. Now, if you want to completely uninstall an app and free up storage space on your Pixel 8 Pro, the process is slightly different. Start by pressing and holding the app you want to uninstall. When the menu appears, tap on App Info. This will take you directly to the app's information page where you can see details about storage, permissions, and other settings. On this page, you'll see an uninstall button near the top. Tap on Uninstall and the system will prompt you to confirm your decision. Once you confirm, the app will be completely removed from your device along with all its data. And that's it. You now know how to rearrange, remove, and uninstall apps on your Google Pixel 8 Pro, giving you complete control over your home screen organization and device storage. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.